Hello, how are you?
Hi, 你好吗？
So, how to set up this translate on your iPhone 16? Open your setting and under setting, you can see the action button. Now, select your action button as translate. Translate this option. Now, go back to your setting and open your translate. Search bar, in search bar, type translate this one. Now select English and the Chinese. Now if you press and hold this icon, then your hi, then your translate is ready.
那你就兴奋了。
And if you want to change your translate language, just open your translate, press on download language, then from here you can change your language as well. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and have a good day.